Hi, my name is Manda Shabalala. I'm the Deputy Chief Education Specialist, Teacher Development, and I'm within the District Teacher Development Centers wing, which is the mainly the hub for teacher development rollout programs. And in the province, we've got 38 district teacher development centers where we support them and they support the curriculum. So I'm here today for the branch meeting, which is basically reviewing our standpoint as a department in terms of our branch, which is curriculum delivery and management. How can we make better the programs that we have as a sector? So, teacher development as a directorate is also having a huge impact, especially from our wing, the district development centers, because we have the digital skills program, which is basically looking at ICT integration within the teaching and learning within the classrooms, where we empower teachers with the various platforms for curriculum delivery and so that they become smart teachers. And we also have the online teacher development platform, which is basically a platform where teachers can tap into for their own uh, uh, capacity development, where they get modules which basically assist them in terms of ensuring that they become more empowered in the various activities that they're teaching. For example, there is a module on the platform that has to do with reading. If a teacher is struggling with supporting learners with reading pace, etc., so the teacher can tap into the platform, then the platform can assist the teacher with the modules so that he or she can better support the learners. Then this will then have an impact in the class because the better the teacher, the better the curriculum delivery in the classroom. Thank you.